Hello everyone. I Sumit Sharma going to discuss the topic innovation and entrepreneurship in project management and entrepreneurship. We are going to discuss about idea and innovation, entrepreneurial idea and innovation. In this, we are going to discuss about what is introduction of innovation, entrepreneurial idea generation, and identifying business opportunities which we need to get, and management skills for entrepreneurs and managing for value creation, creating and sustaining enterprising model and organizational effectiveness. So first we discuss about what is innovation, what we understand about innovation, and how about why means how we can invent or innovate the new things to start the business. So the term innovation refers to a new way of doing something. As we all understand, the means of innovation is to do the things a new way of doing something. It may refers to the incremental and emergent or radical and revolutionary changes in thinking, products, process, or organization. The changes can be anywhere. Okay. So means the recipes of innovation means we must put some creativity into that. We will be failure and we repeat the things again and again. So the recipes of innovation, once we must be creative, we fail sometimes and we iterate the things regularly. So according to the Schumpeter, he argued that innovation comes about through new combinations made by an entrepreneur by resulting it can be a product. We can develop a new product as well. We can generate the process. We can make easy the process. We can open the new market. We can it can be the new way of organizing the business. You can change the old way of doing the things and you can develop the new way of organizing. You can develop the new sources of supply as well. So Schumpeter in 1934 distinguished inventions from innovations and identified 5 types of innovations. Schumpeter types of innovations are new process, new method of production can be. We can open a new market. The new source of supply can be a innovation. A new type of organization you can develop. And a new product or the improvement you are providing into the market or you can make it available for the people. So the example for the new process would be the Ford cars manufacturing and assembly lines. New market, analog to digital. Once it came, it was the new market into the society. New supply chain, international air travel. Internet is a new type of organization. And new product, we had the landline phone with us earlier and then we invented the mobile phone. It will be the new product for us. So an innovation can increase profits on the value side or the cost side or both side. So the value side, customers value your innovation enough to pay more for it. What you invent, the customer pay for that and you increase value. You increase the customer's value. Or the cost side, the company produces the offering in a more efficient way. Either way, value is created for the firm and the consumer, both. Consumer and firm both. It was invention and then it became into the innovation. So what is the difference, basic difference between invention and innovation? So the invention is different from an innovation at any particular time in that it does not have commercial value, but it may have in future. So what you invented today, it may not have the commercial value, but in future it can have. There is no shortage of ideas and inventions in the world. Anyone can have any number of ideas in the mind. They can invent anything at any time. The challenge is to introduce these successfully to a market. Only that idea, invention, can be called an innovation. Or in other words, innovation requires interplay between a product offering, means technology, and a market. Innovation provides better quality product at lower price, which leads to higher standard of living. So invention, creation of something new, we understand it, and resulting in the new knowledge. While innovation, transformation of an idea or resource into the useful application, which results into the new product, service, or process. Product, service, or process can be anywhere. You can innovate anything, maybe in the terms of product, maybe in terms of process, or it may be in the terms of services. So the types of innovation would be product. You are altering the product, so you are making some changes into that product which is existing earlier. Process, you are easing the doing, and then you are doing innovation in service. So this is the product innovation. Candle, bulb, halogen, and then LED. This is the product innovation. The product innovation, change in how the product is noticed by the consumer. It can be change in the physical structure, as we have seen earlier. These are the changes in the structure. These changes include change in the product design, research and development, and new product development. You can develop the new product. You are going to meet the customer needs and demands. According to the need and demands, you are customizing your product, maybe the structure of the product. So the degree of change can include the following things like incremental improvement, addition to the product families. एक ही टाइप के फैमिलीज में आपने कोई और प्रोडक्ट सेम निकाला. नेक्स्ट जनरेशन प्रोडक्ट आप निकाल रहे हैं. न्यू कोर प्रोडक्ट यू आर डेवलपिंग. So the example of product innovations like introducing a new screen size for TVs. It's incremental improvement. Changing the next generation, changing from CRT to the flat screen, and adding functionality such as internet access to the TV. So the continuous improvement, making the product more efficient and effective. Of course, yes. If you are putting some more improvement into the product and the process, it will be more efficient and more effective and useful. Useful or the user friendly it will be. It may be more valuable to the users. Integrated with the other products, technologies or the system, you can do this easily. Once you are enhancing the features of the product, It may be integrated with the other products, technologies, or the systems. Now we do talk about the process innovation. The process innovation it basically involves a new or significantly improved method for the production or delivery of output that adds value to the organization. The term process referred to an interrelated set of activities designed to transform inputs into the specified output for the benefit of the customer. Processes relate to all operational activities by which value is offered to the end customers, such as acquisition of raw material, manufacturing, logistics, and after-sale services. We do some moderations or we do some innovation into that, which would be the process innovation. Why we do change or innovate the processes? Because we want to make it simpler, faster, and more accurate, more reliable, less expensive, and we can reduce the unit cost by improving the productivity and the capacity of production. So the service innovation can see in terms of efficiency, technology, we are providing solution, reliable improvement, we are improving, we are practicing and the customer satisfaction. Now we do talk about the service innovation. Service innovation involves products which are intangible that form an extended part of the product life cycle from initial phase to end of life recycling and disposal. Service industries in areas such as finance, food, education, transportation, health make up most organizations in any economy. These organizations also need to innovate continuously so that they can increase or improve the levels of service to their customer. The service innovation is basically new way of improving service or the new service, new information technology, platforms, particularly the internet have also added the scope of service innovation. The internet is valuable resource on which new service relationships between organizations and their customers are being developed every day. Technology plus better service. Now we do talk about the types of innovation. The Christensen identified two types of innovation, which is disruptive innovations and sustaining innovations. The former disruptive innovation involves the new value proposition by which new markets can be created. So in such instances, individuals or business organizations seize upon basic inventions and transform them into economic innovations, thereby disequilibrating and altering the existing marketing structure, then waiting until the process eventually settles down before the next wave of innovation begins. In contrast, the latter, sustaining innovations, are the best thought of improvements to existing product, process, or market. So these are the innovation having the two phase, design phase and the implementation phase. The design phase is marked by much divergent thinking and creativity, brainstorming, search for alternatives, etc. While research studies suggest that the management of the design phase need to be marked by great administrative flexibility and these types of innovation to achieve the necessary growth to survive. It requires a very different mode of management. It involves putting the chosen innovation to the work. Much planning need to be done, careful coordination, control and evaluation of the progress is required. Business is not entrepreneurial idea generation and identifying business opportunity. Entrepreneurial idea generation, how we generate the idea and how we identify the business opportunity. So business is not about the idea of power, but it is basically power of ideas. The starting point of any business organization is a powerful idea, an idea which can worth thinking, an idea worth enhancing and developing, an idea worth converting it into business. Business opportunity is basically the possibility for new profit. How it would be? Either by founding and formation of a new venture or by significant improvement of an existing venture. Fine. So the opportunity recognition can be considered as an activity which can occur both prior to establishment of a firm and also post funding of a firm, throughout the life of a firm and through the life of the entrepreneur. So what we understand about an opportunity? So an opportunity basically has the qualities of being attractive, desirable and timely and is anchored in a product or service which creates value for the buyers or the end users. A new improved product, new service, new means of production, new way of distributing the product or service, improved service combinations, we are providing any new combinations or the hybrid of above. What is an opportunity? It's not like the raindrops. They do not fall at our feet. Well, not usually. From time to time. Something might just happen which allows an entrepreneur to move forward. However, if we wait for an opportunity to turn up, we will probably never succeed. If we wait that some opportunity will come for us and we will get success, no, it will never happen. So, as a creative business people, we seek or develop opportunity. We need to generate the opportunity. We need to seek some good opportunity so that we can develop and we can survive into the market easily. Are the ideas are the opportunities? All the problems will be the opportunity. Basically, in reality or in the real time, we understand that an idea is only an opportunity when it adds value to the customer. Once it solves the problem, it can make some money, communicate some value to the other stakeholders, and it is good fit with the entrepreneurial team. So, factors which influence the creation or discovery of opportunities are prior knowledge, education, work experience, enculturations, family and friends, and other personal events or other means. These are some factors which basically influence the creation or the discovery of the opportunities. If we have some prior knowledge about the business, we can generate the opportunity. We have the education, then we can generate. The work experience, if you have the prior work experience in the same manner, you can generate the opportunity. Fine. Family and friends are doing something and they are telling to you something different which is running into the market, you can generate the opportunity or which can influence on the discovery of the opportunity. Other personal events or the other means can also be creation or the discovery of the opportunities. Creativity, invention, opportunity and entrepreneurship. So by the diagram we can see the ability to be creative can be innovation and ability to spot the opportunity becomes success. Then the innovation becomes success. So the entrepreneurial idea generation and identifying business opportunity, we talk about the entrepreneurship. The act of being an entrepreneur can be defined as initiating innovation into business situation to transform them into the economic benefit. So as the example, the diagram we can understand easily. So innovation at the core of the entrepreneurship, an entrepreneur does something new. Key to entrepreneurial success is coming up with a new product, new technology, new location, new market, and so on. Idea generation from entrepreneurship point of view clearly refers to either the discovery of a business idea or the development of an idea into a more feasible business concept over the time. The idea could be a plan, proposal, suggestions, opinion, or a belief. A better informed entrepreneur would have bigger chances at recognizing emerging opportunities. So, idea generation is the creative process of generating, developing, and communicating new ideas. Innovation, development, and actualization. So, I stop this lecture here. In the next video, we'll discuss more about it. Thank you, guys.